Hey, what's good everyone? It's LP back with another video, and I finally bought it. I finally was able to get my hands on the Fujifilm X100VI. I found it available on PhotoCare's website and I bought into the hype, and let's go ahead and start opening this up. So this model was made in Japan. I did buy the black model, so I'm very excited about that. So inside, let's see some QR codes. Let's pull these flaps back. Okay, Capture One trial. I'll have to check that out later. Here's some product warranty information. Okay. Let's see what's under here. The camera here. Yep, okay. Here's the camera in plastic wrap. Not bad, we'll take that out. Put that to the side for a second. There's nothing underneath here. Okay, inside this box is, okay, camera strap, USB cable, and my battery. Okay, these batteries are kind of small. I wonder if they come pre-charged. I'll have to check that out here in a second. So this, oh, those are the eyelets for the strap. Probably won't use those. USB-C to USB-A cable and a camera strap. It's leather. Okay, Fuji branded. It looks nice, but I probably won't use it, to be honest. Okay, let's go ahead and put everything back together. Presentation was okay. I don't know why I expected it to be more, but I shouldn't be surprised considering how the presentations on smartphones are these days. But let's go ahead and take the camera out of the bag. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. I expected this to be a little bit bigger, to be honest. This is actually pretty small. Nice build quality. It's very cold to the touch. It's heavy. It looks to be primarily all metal. Man, this black looks sleek. I really like the way this black looks. Okay. Man, this thing looks legit in person. Okay, no defects on the lens. Perfect. Looks good. Alrighty, well, that was my unboxing of the X100VI. I'll be doing some videos comparing it to my A6400 and A6700. But until then, thanks for checking out the video and take it easy.